G'day, we're back here with nachos and tacos. Got some tortillas there, got some onion, got the important taco mix, got some salsa, grated cheese, tomato, and I did have some tissue box there, but the good wife has taken it away. But she did bring the two drinks, lemon lime bitters, non-alcohol Schweppes. We've got avocado, tomato, sour cream, lettuce, and here is my creations. So I'm going to enjoy this, and I'll come back and say how good I cooked the lovely meal. But all the meals I cook for my wife, she loves. She's not just saying that, but yes. So I'm going to sit back, relax, and enjoy, and put a movie on perhaps. Life is good. Thank you. Alright, here's a taco that I have just prepared, and here's a bit of lettuce. Got the guacamole, sour cream, and actually the only thing I haven't had is salsa. So we'll try and be professional here. Thank you, my beautiful, loving wife. Yes. Thank you. Yes, I'll put a bit of the salsa on there. And I'll do like guacamole and sour cream on the nachos. But yeah, I didn't put no black bean or anything, Mexican beans in it. I just used the taco mince. So I'm gonna enjoy this. I'll come back and tell you how good I cook. Thank you. Yes, fantastic. And my wife was laughing, as you can hear her, she's laughing, saying, why are you telling everybody how good you cook? And I say, they understand that laughter is good.
Well, it's good.
It is good. It is the best.
Oh,
the best.
you are the best.
Thank you. And you are the best as well. Thank you for loving me. And I'll come back a bit later. Nachos were fantastic as well. I didn't even put the guacamole or the avocado or sour cream and bits and pieces, but it was so good. But I will put some on there. And you never know, I could be back. But if I'm not back, hit the likes, hit the thumbs down, subscribe, unsubscribe, I don't care. But enjoy your life, because life is good, and be the best version of yourself every day. I love you all.